Then it returns through that pipe, 1-inch pipe, which through conduction heats the whole pipe to 65 degrees. It should always remain at 65 degrees. It goes down, then you have a problem of solidifying. So this system was thought, and I was telling before coming to here, that when we were making this project, constructing this project, you see construction, total project cost was $1 billion US. So our management board in UK, they told me, we have given you money, you are constructing it, but what is the assurance that oil will flow? So we had a great difficulty in answering. Every time when meeting happens, every month, they say, Mr. Balla, oil will flow. I was telling we are constructing for flowing the oil. They said, no, but how do you assure us? So what did we do? We constructed 1 kilometer of pipeline separately, spending $5 million US, and heated pipeline separately, separate project, and then we flowed the oil in that, and then only they got convinced, okay, it flows, because you have shown now practically it is being heated up, it is not going. Now you see we made it ready in 2010 and 2013 now. Till it is no problem and it is absolutely working all right. Intrusion system, first time again in India. What is that? You see, lot of sabotage is there in India on the pipelines. So how to control that? So again, this project was costing about 6 million or so. So we got it done first time in India. What does it do? Pipeline is laid here, so 5 meters on both sides. Any man walks, any vehicle walks, anything happens, the sound waves are coming to the cable, and that cable conveys the message to the control room at 2 places, which is manned 24 hours. And those people know whether man is walking or somebody is digging or a vehicle is passing. So you see, this system is existing on this 700-kilometer line, and this is again first time in India. You see, one thing which I have not told you is first slide shows that when you take the top soil, you can't throw it out. You have to keep on one side of the project, so that when project is completed, you again use that top soil, then only it is nearly the same but what you had started when you are giving back. So another is stringing, it is shown stringing, then welding, how it is welded, then laying, trenching, lowering, and backfilling. So I have told you in short this whole project. If anybody has anything, any question, I can answer. Because you are very competent people and you can understand very quickly, which we took many years to understand at that time. And this pipeline was constructed, say we started in June 2008 and it was completed in 2010. Any question, anybody?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, that thing you told about that you constructed 1 kilometer pipeline separately to prove that the oil will flow. Sir, why that 1 kilometer pipeline was not constructed along this line only?
No, that was not necessary that we have 24-inch line itself. Why should you have 24-inch line? It is only you are showing practicability of the line, and we did not generated power through gas in that line. We took the power from our Viramgam terminal for heating because we had to spend much less money to show that it works. That was the idea. So it was only 10-inch line which we constructed. If 10-inch line can heat and work, remaining other bigger size will also work. But that was again coated and everything. Yes. You speak your name so that I understand.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Gurman. So I just wanted to check, can this refinery, can this pipeline work the other way around? Since now KN has a refinery which is coming up in Barmer and probably will be operational within the next 10 years at least, it will be completely working. I don't know the exact dates. So is this pipeline going to be,
Oh, what is the name you told?
Gurmat.
Gurmat.
Yes, sir.
Gurmat, excellent question.
So is this pipeline going to be used the other way around?
Understood. Excellent question. Because we thought when I did not explain it, this pipeline can work both ways. You can export the oil to Barmer from this pipeline, while you can transport to offshore this terminal Bhogat from Barmer also. Both sides it will work. This was thought, we had thought that someday if we require to export the oil, then we should use this line. You see, this line, one thing I forgot to tell you, was sanctioned by government for 20-inch line. I constructed it 24-inch line. I told Government of India that pipeline is like highways. You do not know, traffic is daily increasing. You know, cars are increasing on every highway, and every highway is now becoming small and small. You want to, so we laid 24, and today we can understand it is not able to carry the total crude which we want to transport. Even 24-inch is less. So when we construct, we must take into account that we are constructing a highway, comparing with highway. Anybody else? Otherwise, we have a small video of 15-20 minutes, and we will show you that video. And I hope you got the glimpses of this project. Thank you very much.